Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study of LPM Public School, and in our last video we have discussed about the worksheet, that is part 1, and in this video we are going to discuss about the question answer, that is worksheet also, and part 2. So students, look at the chapters. Chapter number 1. So, first of all, let's have a quick overview on the chapter number 1 once again for your better understanding and for your worksheet, because the whole worksheet depend upon these chapters. Your chapter name is Our Solar System. So, first of all, we will know about what is solar system. So, student, we see the sun in the sky each morning. Do you know that the sun is also a star? It is the star closest to the earth. Like the other stars, it is also a large ball of extremely hot gas, and the sun is very important to us because the life on earth is possible because of the light and heat we get from the sun. The earth moves around the sun. Like the earth, there are many other heavenly bodies that move around the sun. The sun and these heavenly bodies that go around the sun together form the solar system. So students, in our solar system, there are 8 planets. In our solar system, first one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system, and Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. So student, now come on the exercise 4. So look at this. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question, and your answer should be in only one or two sentences. Now look at the question number 1. Why is the sun important for us? Your question number 1 is, why is the sun important for us? So student, in answer number 1 you have to write about the importance of sun. Importance of sun. So your answer is, the sun is very important to us. Life on earth is possible because of the light and heat we get from the sun. Look at the question number 2. Name the planet closest to the sun. So students, which planet closest to the sun? So your answer is Mercury. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. Look at the question number 3. What is the moon? Your question number 3 is, what is the moon? It means in these questions you have to write about the moon. So your answer is, the moon is the earth's natural satellite. A satellite is a body that moves around a planet. The moon is the earth's natural satellite, and satellite is a body that moves around a planet. Look at the question number 4. Your question number 4 is, what are craters? Your question number 4 is, what are craters? So look at the answer. The surface of the moon is not smooth. The student, the surface of the moon is not smooth. It has many holes, some small and some very big, are called craters. So student, you can say the whole of the moon are called craters. Look at the next page and exercise 5. Answer the following questions in a paragraph. It means in this exercise you have to give answer according to the given question, and your answer should be in a paragraph. So look at the question number 1. Your question number 1 is, what are the difference between a galaxy and a constellation, and give examples of each? So in question number 1 you have to write about the difference between a galaxy and a constellations. So look at the answer. Your answer, first of all, we will discuss about the galaxy. A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. A very large group of stars is called a galaxy. There are several million galaxies in this universe. Example, Milky Way galaxy. And constellations, a small group of stars that seems to form patterns in the sky. Example, Orion, the Great Bear, and Leo, etc. So student, galaxy a very large group of stars and constellations a small group of stars. So these are the difference between the galaxy and the constellations. Look at the question number 2. Your question number 2 is, in what ways are planets different from stars? So students, in question number 2, you have to write about the difference between the stars and the planet. So look at the stars, this is stars and this is a planet. So look at the first difference. Stars are huge balls of hot burning gases. Stars are huge balls of hot burning gases, and planets are round bodies that travel around a star. Look at the second difference between the stars and the planet. They have own heat and light, and they do not have heat and light of their own. So students, stars have own heat and light, and planets do not have heat and light of their own. And look at the third difference between the stars and planets are, stars provide heat and light to the planets. So students, stars provide heat and lights to the planet, and planet get heat and light from the stars. So these are the difference between the stars and the planets. Look at the question number 3. Your question number 3 is, write a short note on the solar system. So student, in question number 3 you have to write about the solar system. So your answer is, the earth moves around the sun. Like the earth, there are many other heavenly bodies that move around the sun. The sun and these heavenly bodies that go around the sun together form the solar system. And look at the question number 3. Look at the question number 4. Draw a diagram of the solar system and label it neatly. So student, in question number 4 you have to draw the diagram of solar system and label it neatly. So look at the diagram. This is the diagram of solar system. This is the sun. Sun is a star. It has own heat and light, and these are the 8 planets. These are the 8 planets. Planets are round body and that travel around a star. They are usually made of rocks or gases. Unlike stars, they do not have heat or light of their own. They get heat and light from the stars they move. So student, Mercury. So look at this: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So student, Mercury is the planet that is very closest to the Sun. Venus, Earth is a planet where we live on Mars. So student, these 4 planets are small in size: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are large in size in comparison to these 4 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So student, you have to draw the diagram in this way and color it and label it neatly. So student, you have to write the exercise 4 and 5 in your CW copy. This is your today's homework. That's all. And Thank you.